Once again, guys, I'm heading out to the gym, and this is another episode of Gym Shorts. Yes, Gym Shorts is a quick workout video. Well, it not even shows so much workout, but it's just me going to the gym. So one of my biggest struggles, is snacking. And snacking has become one of the biggest adversaries that I have had to face, because I like my little potato chips. Well, I'm not really a potato chips person, but I'm like, the cheese crunches or cheese bits, them little baked or fried cheese snacks, like cheese sticks. In Jamaica we call it cheese sticks. But the problem is that I've come to find out is that those simple little cheese snacks come with so much oil. It says, oh, it's corn chips or corn tortilla chips, whatever them little, not tortilla chips. You know me I talk about cheese sticks. Them come with so much oil, and then I will watch TV and I will snack on those. And what I realize is that those things go and sit right in the belly. And that hydrogenated oil or whatever them oil is, you have to investigate it. Go on Google, go investigate it, because me is not an oil expert. But the point is, it's not good for you. And so I've started to use almond nuts, cashew, not a lot of cashew, because I find out now say cashew have excessive fat too. But almond, peanut, especially raw almond or raw peanut, those are what I have had to resort to. And I will do grapes, carrots, I look up carrot sticks. I will do those, and I will do, anything that like celery. Well, me not really do the celery, but my wife do the celery. But me not 200% with the celery. Celery sticks and them little thing there, you see. So you have to just careful where you snack on. So I make sure I have grapes in the house, because I love grapes. I use grapes a lot. So what the point I'm making is, be careful of the snacking, because the snacking, or be careful what you snack on, because the snacking does play a major role in keeping the weight on. This morning I'm gonna do some elliptical and maybe some upper body, some shoulder and thing, not much. I'll let you know what's going on. This is Gym Shorts, y'all. Remember me tell you. So I've done 45 minutes, and 45 minutes burned 534 calories, and I'm just cooling down now. Yep, good to go.